Well, grain and livestock futures were mostly higher on the close on Friday. Brian Doherty is back with analysis. Brian, we had a higher day Friday, mostly higher weekly closes except for cattle. Has the market just basically digested most of the worst news on tariffs and trade?
It sure is acting like it, Michelle. When you get these kind of closes and some strong buying, and you're doing it at the start of a new quarter, and you're doing it with some uncertainty with weather for the planting season, this is a big week. This is a really monumental week, and some big weekly reversals on the chart, and traders are willing to buy. So the signal is at least that they think the worst behind us. We saw the Secretary of Agriculture last week talk about 70, maybe 75 countries coming to negotiate with Washington. That's a big win. China, of course, is the wild card and sort of the sticking point. But boy, what a good week for commodities as a whole.
Right. And like you said, we shook off even the escalation of the China trade war. What's the market going to need to see going forward in this new week to build on this, do you think?
Yeah, so the old saying is you need to feed the bull, right? So when things start to move up, initially you get some buying, and then you get what we call short covering, which is people looking at their positions, or traders saying, "I need to get out of my shorts. This is moving unexpectedly the wrong direction." So you get that. I think what you need in the row crops is you need just a little bit of uncertainty continue to move into the spring, winter, or from winter to spring here as field work progresses. It should progress quite rapidly in the western corn belt, but that saturated soil in the southeast, and now the 6 to 10 day forecast looking a little bit more as though there could be additional moisture this week. So I think that's what you need in the grains to keep the other markets going. I think you need more confidence that Washington is headed in the right direction on all this tariff business, and countries are wanting to cut deals.
Thanks so much. Brian Doherty with Total Farm Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.